And this, you guys, is how you take out the trash. Let's spare it. They're at it again.
Gentle with this one?
They're at it again. But they said they're being gentle. Woo! You know how like you gotta like dig through a wall? That's what it looks like. Hold on, this one's crazy. She needs the bathroom sign. You see this?
No.
You see the Look at her. She's just complaining. Look at that. All that trouble. Hey, can you show us what you have?
No. Where'd the other one go? Over here.
You can put the sign in front of your face. Yeah, see, anytime you gotta go to the bathroom, don't go.